Mel from Uppbeat, and today I'm going to show you how to create this design in Adobe Illustrator as requested by someone on TikTok. So let's go! Alright, first off, this is one of our series from what they say, which is basically what client says. So this is one of what they say, and I don't know is they rude or not. So can you create an actual logo instead of just the words? So this is what someone said. So I'm going to use drop white font and make it capitalized and make the font smaller. Okay. Now we centralized the text in line to the middle of the artboard. So this is simple, just creating text. Make sure it doesn't have space and trying to make sure that typography doesn't look weird. Now let's make actual logo bigger because that's like the emphasis of this whole sentence. And also let's try words. Change the color of words and also change the color of actual logo to emphasize on these two texts. Okay, so now I make it a little smaller. Yep, can you create an actual logo instead of just the words? Yeah, this is what I imagine them without the voice is like, even though it's just text. Okay, now we're done with this, we are going to want to create like a background for this, but let's just make the sentence a little bit more interesting by adding some warp options to it. So now we select the text, go to effect, try and rise. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's a little too much. No, we stick with horizontal, and we will decrease the blend percentage, 28%. So this is how it looks like using rise. Yep. So if you want to add a background to it, we're using the rounded rectangle. Just draw a rectangle and make edges even rounder than this. Okay. So for now, we're going to change the rectangle to the background color, and then we'll go to object and use our favorite tool of all time, which is create gradient mesh. And using the gradient mesh, 3 rows and 3 columns, I think will do. Okay, now you're going to use direct selection tool to change the color inside. So the trick is to always select some of the points at the edge of the shape, change it to the background color so it looks faded and a little bit more 3D in a sense. Okay, so yeah, this direct selection tool, we have talked about this in a lot of our tutorials, and if you want to check out how to create a gradient mesh, you can check out our earlier tutorial. It's quite easy to do if you know the technique, and also if you have the colors that you want to use for your gradient. So this is it. It's how we create this design in Adobe Illustrator. You just shift points until you get an effect that you like. Let us know in the comments below if anyone has said, or any of your clients or your friend or whatever, they are not like a designer, like can just create actual logo instead of just words. So let me know what you think of this. Yep, that's all. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. And also drop us an email or DM if you need any help with any creative services. Also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you really want to support us, can you please buy us a coffee? The link is in the show notes. Alright, till next time, bye!